RockinRaffi, bringing you another dish of RockinRaffi's home cooking. Today, we're gonna make something over the top. We're gonna make mac and cheese. Not just any mac and cheese, but gourmet mac and cheese. And unlike any other mac and cheese, this one, I promise you, you will end up eating the bowl. For this recipe, we're gonna use 4 different kinds of cheeses and 1 as a topper. Oh yes, and the wait is finally over. That's right, bacon lovers, by popular demand, this one's for you. And the cheese sauce, well, we're gonna make this a little extra special with none other than garlic herb butter. And if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to get some cheese on. First, go ahead and make your favorite elbow pasta. Make sure you follow the directions on the box, and then after you're done, set it aside, let it cool down. Take your 4 favorite cheeses, dice them up into small cubes. We will be using half a cup of each. Now it's time to make a roux. What's a roux, you ask? Let me tell you. Roux is a mixture of butter and flour cooked together to make sauces. Go ahead and add your milk, and go ahead and continue to stir until it's fully boiled. Go ahead and add all your cheese to the mix and continue to stir until fully melted. That's right, look at that. Your cheese mixture should look nice and smooth. Here it is, our final product. The nose does not lie when it smells the aroma of the awesome blend of 4 different cheeses, and let me tell you, my stomach is growling. Now is the time to dive right in. Let's try this out. Now what we put on top as well was minced up thyme, as the 5th topping was the Parmesan. This has to be the most cheesiest video I have ever done. The flavor is intense, it's robust, bursting with flavor, smooth and creamy. You have the boldness of the cheddar and the saltiness and smoked flavors of the Gouda. This is an excellent gourmet remake of the old American classic mac and cheese. Oh, and I forgot one more thing. We can eat the bowl too. He's looking at you, bacon. Crispy. And the flavor of this bacon, top notch. And this is a true statement. Bacon makes everything taste better. So you love bacon. I'm giving a shout out to one of my friends, Mike, over at the Culinary Cookhouse. Go to his website, show him some love, subscribe, watch his videos. The guy is just amazing. And if you haven't yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe right down below. And click on the little bell off to the side so you're notified when my next videos have been uploaded. And until next time, keep on rocking!